yogis! It is wonderful to practice with you today. Remember to like and subscribe so you can join us for every adventure. Today's session will help you feel light, floaty, and free. Find a comfortable spot on your mat. Take a giant breath in through your nose. Let it out slowly. Let's begin. Keep your back flat like a table, nice and long. Don't let it hump up. Keep your neck loose and jiggly. Now freeze like a statue. If your statue wobbles a bit, that's totally fine. Bloom open big and wide like a giant sunflower. Glue that bottom hand to the floor so you don't tip over. Turn your knee out to the side like an opening gate. Now curl up like a tiny rock. Sit on your heels and tuck your head down. Gently bring your head toward your legs. Lift your forearms upward. Feel calm, grounded, and centered. Stretch your spine out long like a puppy dog. Hold that shape tight. Use your super strength to lift up. Place your feet a little wider than your hips. hips a little to the side. Ride the wave. It's okay to wiggle. Lower slowly and let the floor support your fingertips. Let your whole body be quiet as a mouse. High-five your own hands together and focus. Lengthen your spine from your tailbone up to the top of your head. Fold your body in half like a sandwich, keeping your feet stuck in the mud. As you fold forward, feel your legs staying connected to the floor. Keep your eyes looking forward or slightly down so your neck stays long. Make your body into a perfect pyramid shape. Feel that nice big stretch. Feel the tension melting away as you expand.